Everyone. It's me, your Manu issue, and today we will discuss one of the most common topic. Yes, we will discuss one of the most common question I get. Should you go for the CA or ACCA? In this video, I will break down the difference, career opportunities, and which qualification might be right for you. Okay, so in this video, we will cover the scope, cost, duration, difficulty level, and which one aligns better with your career goals. So let's start the today video. So, what is the CA and what is the ACCA? And you might know what the CA is, Chartered Accountant, right? So basically, CA is a local qualification recognized primarily in your country. Your country means, suppose if one belongs from Nepal and if they are CA, means their body will be ICANN. So means they are this qualification. In this qualification, they will it will be recognized primarily in Nepal, and it focus on the deeply on the local laws, taxation, auditing practice, and it is conducted by the institute, as I said, ICANN. Similarly, if we talk for the India there is ICAI, right? So the CA of India will have a good, or they will more focus on their local laws, taxation, auditing practices, and it is conducted by ICAI, right? But what is the ACCA? Let's come to the main point today. So basically, as I have I mean, in my previous video where I had explained about the ACCA and everything what one need to do in order to be a qualified certified accountant, right? So I have explained everything in that video. You just need to go over my channel and check it out. In this video, we will simply have a simple overview of the ACCA. Okay, so basically, ACCA is a global qualification and it is recognized in more than 180 countries. As I said, CA is for a specific country. Suppose Nepal have a separate body governing the CA, and India will have a separate body. Pakistan will have a separate body. So every country will have a specific body that will, the chartered accountant courses of that particular country focus on the local laws, taxation, auditing practices. But if we talk about the ACCA, it's a global qualification. Okay, it is recognized in 180 countries and it focuses on the international accounting standard. Remember IFRS and global taxation principle. And it is conducted by ACCA, so-called Association of Chartered Certified Accountant. Okay, so it is in the UK, right? So, and we will discuss later on regarding the flexibility and the course structure. So, this is the difference between CA and the ACCA. Now, what is the key comparison factor? Okay, so let's have a look for this. If it, we will have a few points regarding the scope, cost, duration, difficulty level, and career opportunity. So, if we talk about the scope, the CA scope of CA, so it is highly respected within the country and excellent for the career in the local auditing, taxation, and government roles. Right, but if we talk about the ACCA, it offered a global opportunity, like in the big four firms, multinational company, as you know, lost a lot of there are many MNC company opening in the country, right? So ACCA will offer the global opportunity as well. So it's ideal for the role requiring knowledge of IFRS, international taxation. Okay, so if we talk about the cost, generally CA is more affordable than the ACCA. Fee depends on the local institute, as I say, ICANN, ICAI, but additional cost may incur regarding the coaching and exam preparation. But if we talk about ACCA, the cost can be more higher. Why? Because cost can be more higher due to the registration, annual fee, exam cost, and may require study material. That's from the Kaplan BPP. Oh, okay, one more thing I have forgotten. um, wait. I forgot about this. So basically, as ACCA have launched their own materials, so called ACCA Study Hub, right? So you can, if you I mean, don't want to purchase Copla and BB, that's fine. And but there is ACCA Study Hub provided to all the ACCA student. Okay, so but though the cost is very higher, because there are registration fee, your exam fee might costly, it's very costly. And your annual fee means subscription, like if you are affiliate, it's around 156 pound, and if you are member, I think it's a 300 plus pound. So it's very costly, and exam fee also costly depending on the country which you are giving the exam. And one more thing, in the ACCA, no matter from which country you belong, but if you have moved to other country, you can give your exam in that particular country as well. Okay, so it's not necessary that you need to move to your home country to give the exam of ACCA. You can give exam of ACCA anywhere from any part of the globe. Okay. And one more thing I would like to say about the ACCA, it's very I mean, the exam is conducted globally. I mean, the in the same date, if like I'm having the paper of financial reporting, so on the same date the exam will be conducted over in all the country at the same time. I mean, in the same date. Okay, so there is no option like I will give the exam on that particular day. ACCA will just publish their routine, and you need to go through that routine and to book the exam. So, but in the globe, the exam is conducted on the same date. Okay, and it's as I said, it's very costly exam fee. But regarding the CA, if we talk about CA, the fee is affordable. You might need a additional cost regarding the coaching and exam preparation. Okay. Now let's talk about the duration. Okay, CA can take 4 to 6 years, including the articleships and the training, and passing rate are often low, extending to the duration. As I said, yeah, in the CA, lots of people used to fail, right? That's very true. The passing rate is very low in case of CA. But if we talk about the ACCA, if you are focused, disciplined, you can complete within the 2 to 3 years. And if you have a prior degree, like if you are having a CA degree, then you will get 9 paper exempt. Only 4 paper is required in order to be a qualified ACCA. Or if you are from the graduation, you might get 1 to 4, depending on the which degree you are having. You will get exemption. Don't need to give the exam, but remember, you need to pay the exemption fee as well. Okay, no mandatory of articleship, but it require a practical experience that's of the 3 years. I have mentioned in my previous video, in the ACCA, 3 years PER, practical experience requirement is necessary. And that's about the ACCA duration. But ACCA is all about focus and discipline. It's flexible. I know it's flexible. If you are working or you are married, you can give a 1 paper at a time. But if you are free full-time student, then you can give a 4 paper at a time. Okay, so there was one student, or I can say it was I mean, we are on the same batch, and he gave the professional paper, the 4 at once, in one shot, and he cleared every paper. So it's very flexible. ACC is very flexible. You can opt for the paper depending on your capability, knowledge, skills, right? And whether you are ready to take the stress, because obviously it's gonna be very stressful time if you are preparing for the multiple paper in the ACCA. But if you are focused and disciplined, obviously paper will get clear on time, and it's flexible as comparison to CA. Okay, let's talk about the career opportunity. So it's about the duration. Okay, let's talk about the difficulty. As I said, obviously CA passing rate is often low, extremely challenging with low pass rate, focused on the deep technical knowledge and the local laws. If we talk about the ACCA, it offers more flexibility regarding the exam, and it is having a higher pass rate. Exam structure allow balancing work and study better. As I said, you can choose for the any exam, but the as per the routine or the session you are appearing for. Okay, so Yeah, CA is more difficult. Okay, regarding the career opportunity, ideally CA, if we talk about CA, ideally for the practice in the local market, audit firm, taxation, consulting, and better for the entrepreneurship or opening a CA firm. But if we talk about the ACCA, better suited for the multinational organization, big four firms, and role like financial analyst, management accountant, and CFO, preferred for the international mobility. Okay, so basically I'm also working in one of the UK firm, and in my firm, majority of the people are from CA. Okay, so you can imagine if you are like nowadays in the most of the organization, when the vacancy come for the CA, there is slash ACC as well mentioned over there, right? So if obviously if you are having a ACC degree, you will get a global exposure. You will get opportunity to work in the different countries, and obviously most of the like job vacancy that are available nowadays from the UK, and obviously we will have a knowledge of IFRS standard and UK taxation. That's really fit for the student, and obviously within their home country they get a international exposure. Okay, so now who should choose CA or ACCA? If you want to go for a CA, if you want to work primarily in your home country, your career focus is in the local auditing, taxation or accounting, you're ready for the long-term commitment and intense competition, then prefer CA. But if you are inspired to Okay, so if you are inspired to work globally or in the multinational firms, and your interest is in the IFRS, management accounting, financial reporting, and if you are like married and difficulty in filing means balancing the work life and personal life, obviously ACC will be calling for you. It's really flexible. As I said, you can give a one paper at a time, back to back, and depending on your stress level, or you can choose for the multiple paper at a time, or you can say I want to give all the paper now. Yes, you can, but for that you need to be prepared. And okay, so this is for the CA and ACCA. Now frequently asked question is that, can I pursue both? Yes, but it's better to start with the one and align with your career goals. And which one is easier to pass? Obviously ACC offers the flexibility, and and it's true, ACC offers a higher pass rate, but the difficulty depends on your aptitude. Okay, so if you are watching my video and if you are CA or ACCA, do share me your experience why you choose ACCA over CA or vice versa in the comment box. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Okay, so you can follow me over this social media ID, and that's all about the CA and ACCA. So do let me know in the comment box why you choose ACCA over the CA or CA over ACCA. I'm waiting for your comment. So thank you so much guys watching for my watching this video, and if you found it's very useful, share it among your friends. And thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.